Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install the recipe browser on the Tmod loader for 1.4. It's so much more simpler than it was in 1.3, and I'll just get into it. So it's a lot more simpler, so all you have to do is just download Tmod loader as a DLC, load it up, and all you have to do to download the mod is go into your workshop, go into download mods, and type in recipe browser. There it is. You can also add that with the magic storage mod, and you can also download these other mods, but this is the one that we want, so I'm going to download with dependencies. And then we have to go back, we have to go manage mods, you have to enable it, and then go back to reload it. Now that is your recipe browser downloaded for 1.4, a lot more simpler than it was for 1.3. I'll show you it. So I've created a world and character. And now what you have to do, you have to go into the settings, you have to go into controls, go all the way down, toggle recipe browser, you have to bind a key. I'm just going to bind this key. And then to access it, you have to go like this. And then you have to search anything you want. And you can put your copper short sword in and see what you can make. So you can make the Zenith. New feature from 1.4 with the Terra Blade, the Meowmare. But yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.